let's make this Canon EOS-50D record video. Actual beautiful video. But before you do anything, let's go to settings. Make sure you're in the latest version of firmware. Then go to format. Click OK. Click OK again. Format the card. After this, turn off your camera. After you turn off your camera, all is left is take the memory card out of the camera and bring it to the computer and get to the next step. We go to this website right here. It's called Magic Lantern, and the website is magiclantern.fm. What do we do here? We go to the downloads, nightly builds, and here look for your camera. In this one, 50D. We click on the 50D. We click on the Magic Lantern Nightly 2018 blah blah blah. I have already downloaded it, but I will download it again just for the video itself. Open the folder where we downloaded it. As you see, I have mine on desktop already, the downloaded file. What do we do in this case? You can do it the way you like. I like to create a folder and call it Magic Lantern. You call it Magic Lantern. You take the files from here on your favorite WinRAR that we for sure paid for. Take the files out of here. Put them in the Magic Lantern folder. They unzip directly there. The folder will be created right here. And now we go to the card itself. Grab the card. Go to EOS Digital. And what you do here, you simply grab these three files. Drop them in here. And you are ready to go. Don't forget to safely remove the card. Eject. You see that? Now it's safe to remove the card. Next step will be on the camera itself. After we did all that, let's get back to the camera itself. Make sure it's turned off. Before we insert the card, open the port, put the card back in. Make sure it's on manual mode first. Click menu. Go to firmware version. We see 109. Click OK. Go to OK again to update. This will install Magic Lantern. Wait for it. After installing, it will ask you to restart the camera. Simply turn the camera to the off position for a few moments, then turn it back on to restart the camera. Now we turn it back on and give it a minute. To enter the menu, we click the delete button. To enter Magic Lantern menu, you click the delete button. And as you see here, there's so many options, movie recording, and it's very, very beautiful. One thing I might have forgotten to mention on this video will be the battery. It will spend the battery really fast. Really fast. And how do you film on this camera? You know how it has the double shooter on the button? You click it only once to enter recording mode. And let it go, and now it starts recording.